Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We also look at the Gary Gensler news coming out as well. And we talk about FedNow, central bank digital currencies, and all the reasons why they are no good and why you guys need to be aware of what is going on with the central bank digital currencies and the FedNow program. We also look at the cryptocurrency market and all the news involved in that and the top gaining altcoins right now. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, and the data. You don't want to miss a second of this video. Let's go. You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at the cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin market. We're going to be looking at altcoins, XRP, Ethereum, and more in this video. XRP is one of the top coins being requested to be covered in this channel, so I will be talking about XRP in this video, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the cryptocurrency market. Also, we're going to be talking about FedNow right now and central bank digital currencies. Going to let you know why central bank digital currencies are bad, and we're going to talk about Gary Gensler's resignation. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop in the charts and see what we have going on. So the first thing I want to point out is the FedNow program. The FedNow program is up and in full effect, and I'm going to explain why central bank digital currencies and FedNow are a bad thing. Now, central bank digital currencies are something that I've been said was coming for about 2 years now. A lot of people said I was crazy, or that this will never happen, or we'll never see anything like this, or they were maybe like, what are central bank digital currencies? Well, central bank digital currencies are just that, central bank digital currencies. They are currencies issued by the central bank. Now, what they're probably going to do is just take the US dollar and turn it into the CBD. But the thing is, why CBDs are bad is because it's programmable money. Now, each and every person has an ID number. Each and every person has a bank account with FedNow. And what they're going to do, and right now it's optional, but soon it will be mandatory. And what they're going to do is, let's take this for an example. Remember the stimulus checks? Remember the stimulus checks that everyone got? Well, a lot of people did the right thing with that money and put it in investments or put it in savings accounts, did things like that. Now, people that were always meant to be poor, and no offense to some people, but poor people do poor people things. It's a mindset, it's behavior. Some people went out and bought TVs and pumped the economy. That's what they want. Buy TVs, buy new cars, buy stuff like that. Pump the economy up. That's what they wanted you to do with that money. They did not want you to put it in the stock market. They did not want you to save it. They did not want to improve your life with it. They wanted you to spend it to pump up the economy. Well, with things like FedNow and central bank digital currencies, what they can do is say, if you don't spend the money on this, this, and this by this, and this date, that money comes back to us, and you can't buy this, and this with that money. So now with the FedNow program, they can send out a stimulus check and tell you what you can or cannot spend it on. Or for an example, let's say somebody did something that the government doesn't like. Let's just say the government doesn't like something that you did and you broke a government rule, or you broke a rule in society. And you know how society is going now with all this stuff going on with the alphabet army and stuff like that. You can offend the wrong person, and what's going to happen is they're going to go to your name and basically, oh, John Smith did such and such. Okay, John Smith, your money's now turned off. Click, your money's done. Instead of having cash in your pocket that you can go buy things, now your wallet that all your money's in is turned off. This is why FedNow is a major, major, major problem. And you can see right here, here's all the banks participating in it. If you can see your bank on here, get out of that bank immediately. If you see your bank on this list, get out of that bank. Not financial advice. Listen, this stuff is coming down the pipeline, and it's coming quick. Central bank digital currencies are a reality, and it's something you do not want in your life. It's going to come with social credit scores. It's going to come with universal basic income. Universal basic income is not a good thing. It's going to cause inflation. And again, it's the same thing with the stimulus checks. If you give a bunch of people with poor people mindsets, they're just going to go spend the money on dumb things. They're not going to invest it. They're not going to become more wealthy off of it. You cannot give everyone $1 million and expect everyone to be wealthy. You're going to give some people $1 million, and they're going to be way worse off than when you gave them the $1 million a year later. Some people just do not know how to manage money, and that's why you see these cases with the lottery and stuff like that. People don't know how to manage money, and that's why they cannot build wealth. Being rich is a mindset. It's a mindset. It's a certain uh, set of actions that you do to preserve and acquire money. Okay, so these are the things that they're going to be doing with central bank digital currencies, not allowing us to live the life that we want to live. And I wanted to put this out there in my videos. I will be talking about this on the AMC videos as well, because it's very important that all of you hear about Fed now. Let's go ahead and hop into the Gary Gensler story right now. There's a story going on about Gary Gensler retiring or putting in a resignation from the SEC. Now, we all know that this would be lovely. I would love to see this, but if this was true, we would see Bitcoin pumping, we would see BlackRock celebrating, we would see some more news about this. So what I'm thinking is, this is a trust me bro source. There's an anonymous source that said he's resigning. I'm not considering this real until I see an official news story that says Gary Gensler resigned, okay? Not possibly resigned, Gary Gensler resigned, okay? That's when I will accept this as true. Again, this is something to keep on the table, but it's more of a trust me bro type story. And of course, you can see that some people are saying that the story is fake as well. The XRP community is awash, because obviously this would be huge for XRP. If Gary Gensler did resign, you would see XRP absolutely flying to the upside as well. So again, I do not think this happened. Bitcoin would be pumping as well. So again, I do not think this happened. Also, we have the Bitcoin ETF. The Bitcoin ETF did not get denied. It did get partially rejected, but not in a bad way. What it means is that they're going to have to go back and do some amendments, and then the SEC will probably approve it. I do think the Bitcoin ETF is coming, and that the spot ETF is going to send Bitcoin to the moon. So if you are holding Bitcoin and this ETF gets approved, get ready for your bags to pump, because they're going to be rocketing to the upside, especially if this ETF gets approved. Guys, you do not want to be out of the market if this ETF gets approved. The spot ETF, they have to buy Bitcoin from the open market. It's going to send Bitcoin's price skyrocketing. So very exciting news for the cryptocurrency market. A lot of catalysts that could cause this thing to go over that $31,000 level and start the new bull run. Why do I say that? The new bull run starts at 31,000. The new bull run has already started. But why do I say 31,000? Because that is key support and resistance. As you guys can see, this is with the floor of the last bull rally. So once we get above that floor of the last bull rally and get above this floor of 31,000, everyone's going to realize that Bitcoin's back in a bull market. Right now, people don't realize that. And what I'm doing is, as a smart investor, I'm accumulating under 30,000. Anytime I have money, I can buy Bitcoin. I'm getting money. I'm buying Bitcoin under 30,000. I'm buying Ethereum under 1,900 even. 1,900 even. I'm accumulating Ethereum under 30,000, preferably 29,000 for Bitcoin. 28,000 is where I have most of mine. 28, 27,000 in that range. I do have some 15,000, 16,000 buys in that range as well. But most of my Bitcoin has been accumulated in this lower range. And then once we get above that range, obviously I'll be highly in profit, and this is something I suggest for other people as well. Not financial advice, but accumulating Bitcoin under 30,000 cannot go wrong. Literally fire sale territory, and we are about to see a massive pump to the upside. As you guys can see, weekly MACD starting to flip green. Also, we have this expanding megaphone, which is very, very bullish. And we have this uptrend marked in white. As you guys can see, we've been holding this uptrend marked in white, and we have the breakout of this falling wedge. Beautiful, beautiful technical pattern letting us know that Bitcoin is going to be going into a bull run, moving to the upside and breaking past this 31K. If we go ahead and zoom in to see what's going on the smaller time frames, get a little bit more clear idea of what's going on, you guys can see that we're forming this massive bull flag. This is a bull flag or a bull pennant. You guys can call it whatever you want. Most people would probably call it a bull pennant, as you guys can see, because it's a symmetrical triangle. But as you guys can see, this is a bullish scenario. And we are right now on top of the pennant, working on retesting top support and resistance as support. And then that will give the confirmation for a move to the upside. Once we break out of this pennant, Bitcoin is going to go past 31K. It's going to go past 31.5K. And when it goes past 31.5K, this time it's not coming back down. It's not going to come back down. It's going to break the support and resistance here marked in yellow. It's going to break that, and it's going to stay above it, and everyone's going to be like, dang, Bitcoin's in a bull run, and I missed out. People are going to start FOMOing in and run this thing up to the next level, while people like me, smart money, was accumulating down here, while everyone's saying Bitcoin was dead, Bitcoin was dying. We were buying the fear, doing exactly what you want to do. Buy the fear and sell the greed. You always want to buy the fear and sell the greed, and that's exactly what we're doing. buying into fear. You always want to buy into fear, and that is what we're doing. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I do think it is going to make a blast off to the higher evaluations after breaking out of this bull flag. And I think this is actually coming very, very soon. Probably here within this trading week, we're going to see Bitcoin above $31,000 and holding that level. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum and show you guys what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Ethereum is also making moves as well. Ethereum with a massive falling wedge. Let's go ahead and zoom out and show you guys the macro Ethereum and then do the small term. As you guys can see, Ethereum had this beautiful bull pennant here at the bottom for Ethereum, using this gap fill as support. Last time we had this major dump to the downside. Now we have this beautiful pennant right here that we are forming, this beautiful pennant that we broke out of, and now are forming a falling wedge on the smaller time frames. A falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern for this uptrend that you see, and I do think Ethereum is also working on a move above 2.1K. So I think Ethereum is going to break 2.1K very soon. Once Bitcoin makes that move, Ethereum's going to make that move as well. I have been accumulating Ethereum under 1.8K. Not financial advice. Anything under 1.8K is an extreme buy for Ethereum, as it will push up past 2.1K for this bull market and eventually go up to about $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000 in my personal opinion. So this is a great buy for Ethereum, and I do think Ethereum will be pushing to the upside. Let's go ahead and show you guys some of the buy and sell signals here on the weekly time frame that we haven't had for such a long time, indicating a massive bull run is on the horizon. As you guys can see, we have a buy signal that we haven't had since this rally here and this rally here. As you guys can see, we have that buy signal for Ethereum, marking the beginning of a major rally. Also, Bitcoin has a buy signal as well. Last time we had that, we had this rally here and this rally here. Again, major rally on the horizon for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and hop into XRP, showing you guys the technicals for XRP. Now, again, if Gary Gensler did resign, you would see XRP absolutely skyrocket to the upside. But I want to point out something very, very specific about XRP's pattern. It's making a bull pennant right here at the bottom with a buy signal on the weekly time frame. Bullish, bullish, bullish. I do think XRP will be breaking out of this pennant, and once it breaks this level right here, I'm not going to say the number because obviously it's a 0 and then 3s and a whole bunch of numbers, but 0.42. So 0.42, once it breaks above 0.42, 0.45, around that range, you'll see XRP blast off. Okay, XRP is setting up for a bullish accumulation right here. This is a bullish accumulation pattern. This is where you should be accumulating XRP, not financial advice, accumulating inside of this pennant, waiting for this breakout to the upside, because it's going to be a massive breakout. Also, buy signals on the weekly time frame. Last time we had these buy signals, we had massive rallies for XRP. Again, this is a bullish accumulation with that buy signal, getting ready to blast to the upside for XRP as it breaks out of this bullish pennant. I do think we're going to see a significant move to the upside for XRP, believe it or not, especially once it breaks past that 0.45 level. So that's what I'm looking at for XRP on the smaller and larger time frames. It is setting up in a bullish accumulation. Again, I would be accumulating XRP. Anything under 0.36, 0.38 is a definite buy for XRP in my personal opinion. And you could see significant gains, especially once we break out of this massive bull pennant marked in orange. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Prices to accumulate and sell Ethereum coin. Or XRP coin, I do apologize. But that is what I'm looking at for XRP. Prices to accumulate XRP and sell XRP. Let's go ahead and hop into Doge. Hop into Dogecoin, only because I want to show you guys something that is going on with Doge as well. Doge also having a bullish accumulation here around the bottom. Anything under 11 cents would be a buy for me for Doge. Anything under 11 cents would be a definite, or anything under 9 cents, I'm sorry. Anything under 9 cents would be a good buy for me for Doge, not financial advice. Anything under 9 cents, so the 6 cent level would definitely be a buy. It's working on breaking the sloping resistance. Once this sloping resistance is broken, you're going to see a push to the upside for Doge. Again, altcoins working on making a move. As soon as Bitcoin breaks past that 31K level, it's going to be on and popping for altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all of them. So once Bitcoin moves past 31K, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, all of those coins are going to see significant movements to the upside, especially because Bitcoin dominance is so high right now. We have Bitcoin dominance sitting at about 41% right now. Bitcoin dominance sitting at about 47%. I do apologize. 47% Bitcoin dominance right now. So huge Bitcoin dominance as Bitcoin is leading the market and absolutely taking over. So once Bitcoin makes that move past 31K, you're going to see altcoins start to run up as well. So altcoin holders, be ready. We will see a altcoin season, especially once we get past that 31K level for Bitcoin. Me personally, I am 50% invested in Bitcoin, 50% invested in altcoins. Sometimes I am 50% Bitcoin, 45% altcoins, 5% meme coins, but I do not have any meme coins at this current time and place. But right now, I am 50% Bitcoin in my portfolio, 50% altcoins. Most of my altcoins are Ethereum, Cardano, and Cosmos. Those are my top 3 altcoins. I do have some Loopring, Tezos, things like that, but those are some things that I'm looking at. So this is what I'm looking at for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. Let's go ahead and show you guys some cryptos that are making moves. We have LTC making some moves up 6.7%. COMP up 23.1%, and GRT up 13.7%. Sol up 6.1%. These are altcoins making some gains. Let's go ahead and look at Lunar Crush and see what altcoins are making moves here on Lunar Crush. As you guys can see, LTC is up on it's one of the top coins. LTC, this is a site that shows you coins that are doing moves by social media metrics. That means they're being talked a lot about on social media, and that means they're going to be making a move in price. Anytime you see a coin talked a lot about on social media, you're going to see price move up. As you guys can see, I just showed you LTC coin. It's listed number 1 on Lunar Crush, and it has been making price movements. Again, this is a site that you can go to find out what coins are going to make moves before they move. As you guys can see, all the coins making moves that I just showed you are on this list. Again, Lunar Crush is a great site showing you the top 10 coins ranked by social media. Litecoin, Solana, Flow, Compound, Super Rare, ETH, XRP, CeeLo, Bitcoin Cash, and Polkadot are the top 10 as of right now. And I do think that will continue as they start to move to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at basically for the cryptocurrency market. Things that we have coming out for the stock market and information that could affect the cryptocurrency market. We have ISM numbers coming out. We have FOMC coming out on Wednesday. ISM numbers coming out on Monday. And on Thursday, we have balance of trade, JOLT, jobs opening, and ISM service PMI numbers on Thursday. And on Friday, we have unemployment ratings. This could be huge for the market, giving it a nice momentum to pump to the upside, which could give Bitcoin momentum to pump to the upside. I am in the personal belief that Bitcoin is actually going to decouple from SPY as it starts to mature and become a more valuable asset. Bitcoin is the number 1 asset in my personal opinion. It cannot be printed. It's decentralized. It cannot be controlled. It cannot be printed. It cannot be taken away from you, and it cannot be created more of, which means it can't be inflationary, which means they print more and steal from you. Because when you have a bank account and you have $1,000 and they print money and inflation goes up, that $1,000 doesn't keep buying the same thing. But if you have something like Bitcoin that increases in value and only has a set amount of it, they can never print more of it, so they can never steal from you by devaluing the currency. That is why Bitcoin is the ultimate currency and going to beat fiat currency and going to be actually one of the most valuable assets that anyone is ever going to see in your lifetime. Mark my words, guys. In 5 to 10 years, Bitcoin is going to be one of the most valuable assets ever on this planet, guys. Mark my words. This is not financial advice, and I cannot wait to those days. This is everything I have for you guys. Beware of Fed now. Beware of fake news from Gary Gensler, and be ready for a crypto market bull rally going into 2024 and 2025 into the halving. Now, guys, this is what I have for you for the cryptocurrency market. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content. I do have a trading course coming out here soon. I do have a Discord that I give buy and sell signals and talk about my trades all day long. The Discord is $50. You can message me on Twitter and Instagram to get in the Discord. Twitter and Instagram is linked down below. Message me about the Discord on Twitter and Instagram. It's $50 for a lifetime invite. I give trades, information, all types of stuff on there as well. Come join the community and see what we're about. I also have a join tab down at the bottom of the screen that you can press join, become a member of this channel, and you get a ton of perks for becoming a member of the channel as well. I get exclusive access to me. I see all of your comments, and you get badges and validation as a member on this channel, as well as exclusive Igimos to use during the live streams. With that being said, guys, this is everything I have for you. If you want to support me for absolutely free, you can simply drop a like, press subscribe, and as always, I have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. Alright, yo, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I also have the Instagram. All of those linked below. You can message me on Twitter and Instagram to join the Discord. It's $50 for a lifetime invite. Also, I have a membership that you can join, $2.99 a month, cancel at any time. You could join at the bottom of the screen, press join next to the subscribe button on the bottom of my page. Or if you want to support me for free, you simply drop a like, leave a comment, and I appreciate each and every one of you that do so. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.